everybody, if you guys want to learn this train dance and showcase everybody your super cool costumes, I need you to gather so I can show you guys the moves, okay? All right, super easy, very easy. You guys are gonna put your arms just like this. You're gonna bounce your right arm twice, bounce your left arm twice, roll forward once, once, step with your right foot, your left foot, your left foot, then jump in a circle. Okay? So it's going to look like this. It's going to go right arm, roll forward, roll back, step right, left, jump in a circle. All right, which one of my road crew wants to do this? B wants to lead the train. Okay, so I need everybody to get behind V in a big line. And you guys are going to follow V. We gon' tear it down. Yeah. All right, are you guys ready?